Hey guys, today we're playing basically copycat version of Floppy Bird, so let's go. Man, this game's stupid. What's the purpose? What's the purpose? I hate that bird. I'm already about to give up, dude. I'm serious. Come on, I'm gonna get this time. I'm gonna get at least 5. Stupid bird! I'm done. I'm not. One more time. Come on, buddy. Tweet. Ah! Why is this game so hard? One more. I did it. I'm gonna do it one more time, see if I can beat 11. Goodbye, guys. Just one more time. I give up. I'm through this. I hate this more than I hate. Slitherio. Bye, guys. Hashtag angry. Hashtag this game's in danger. I'm angry. Just one more time. I'm so sick of that bird's little... This bird's gonna hurt his beak doing this. I'm not doing this anymore. Goodbye, guys. See ya. I'm really mad right now. Goodbye.